Getting a black screen right after updating your Nvidia drivers? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and there are a few simple ways to fix it. The first thing you should do is enter safe mode so you can access your PC. Restart your computer 3 times in a row. On the third restart, it should automatically open the Advanced Startup Options menu. When it appears, click on Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then select Startup Settings. Click Restart, and when the list of options appears, press F5 to enter Safe Mode with Networking. Once your PC is in Safe Mode, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click your Nvidia graphics driver, and select Uninstalled Device. Wait for the uninstall to finish, then restart your PC normally. Windows will automatically install a basic display driver, which usually fixes the black screen issue. After your PC starts working again, you'll need to reinstall the correct graphics driver. Open GeForce Experience if you already have it. If not, download it from Nvidia's website. Once it opens, go to the Drivers tab and install the latest available driver. Restart your PC after the installation. If you don't want to use GeForce Experience, you can also download the driver manually from Nvidia's official driver download page. Just enter your GPU model, download the correct driver, install it, and restart your PC. That's it. Your PC should now be back to normal without the black screen. If the problem continues, you may want to try installing an older driver version instead of the newest one, as some updates can cause compatibility issues.